Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is April Braxton from ACB Photography, and I'm back with another tutorial. I am going to continue today with the introduction to Photoshop. My last video, I realized that a lot of people are not well versed on Photoshop, just getting the basics. So that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to bring to you a video today on basic editing as far as removing things in your photo that you don't want there. I'm going to show you a couple of techniques that you can use to touch up your photos. So come along. We have a photo here. As you can see, it's outdoors. It's a raw photo. I haven't done anything at all to it. I haven't done any of the highlights, shadows, but that's not the purpose of this video. We are going to show you how to eliminate things in your photo that should not be there or that you don't want there. As you can see, this photo is of one of my senior ambassadors. This is her prom session. And as you can see, I have a piece of the umbrella, the softbox in the photo. We don't want that. So I'm going to show you a few different techniques that you can use to eliminate that. So we're going to first start off on the side here, the side panel with our actions. And the one that has the Band-Aid on it, if you right click that, there's several different tools here that we can use. All right. So the one that's selected right now that I use mostly is the remove tool. Today I'm going to show you the remove tool and I'm going to show you the patch tool. So since we've already got it on remove, let's click on that, remove, and we can change the size of the tool right here. As you can see, it's a circle with the dot on the inside. By selecting your right and left brackets on your keyboard, if you've watched my videos before, you know I love shortcuts. We can go here and decrease with the left bracket, and then we can increase the size with our right bracket. The bigger the item that you need to remove, the bigger your size of the tool should be. It'll be easier that way. So I'm going to put it about that big. And what we're going to do is basically just swipe over and make a selection of what we want removed. And this works pretty good. It uses Generative Fill, generative software to recreate what they think should be in the photo. All right, so we're going to go ahead and left click and just draw over what we want gone. Once we've got that, we're going to release it, and it's going to take just a few seconds to think about it, and that's good. But as you can see, it recreated a little piece of her face over here. We don't want that there. It doesn't belong, so we can decrease the size of the tool, and we can paint right over it again. And sometimes you have to paint until you get it the way you want to. So actually, that looks pretty good. So that's the after, and there's the before. So let's start over. I'm going to delete this layer. I'm just going to go to this layer and select delete, and we're going to copy that again. So if you've already been watching my videos, you know that I start every photo with making a copy of the background layer so that we always have the original photo there. Okay, so the second way I'm going to show you is by using the patch tool. We're going to go and right click our tool right here with the Band-Aid, and we're going to select the patch tool. With the patch tool, what you're going to do, as you can see the tool changed here, little looks like a little patch or like that you would put on your clothes, and an arrow. So we're going to make a selection or draw around the thing that we want removed, and we're going to take that and move it over to an area that it should look like. So let me demonstrate that. We're going to hold down the left click, and we're just going to make a circle around what we don't want. All right, now that it's selected, we've got the marching ant lines. We're going to click and drag it over to another area that it should look like. Okay. That did a pretty good job. I'm going to deselect this area so we can see the picture better. Command D is the shortcut to deselect. And as you see, the umbrella is gone. If you're pleased with that, you can stop there. But if you want to refine it a little bit more, you can take that and move it there. And then take that little greenery, move it there just to make everything kind of uniform. All right, that is that for the patch tool. And I said I was going to use 2 tools. I'm going to use one more tool. So let's delete this and let's do it again. Command J, shortcut to making a new layer. And I'm going to go up here and do my lasso tool. It's kind of the same concept as the patch tool, but this is just for making a selection. It's not for changing it, just for making a selection. So I'm going to circle that area. And instead of using my tools over here, I'm going to go to the Generative Fill box. This is where the AI will do it, just everything for you. So you don't have to type anything in here. It's going to kind of figure out what you want over there. So for this one, I'm going to leave it blank and I'm going to click generate. It's going to take a few minutes to think, and then we'll have our options. It's going to actually give us 3 options of what we want to choose from for taking that umbrella away. So, boom, as you can see, that's the first option. It looks really, really good. That's before, that's after. We're going to scroll through the next option. That looks good as well. That's the after, that's before. And the third option is that. All 3 of them look good to me. I probably would want the second one because it adds a little bit of green to the picture. So that's it, guys. Simple, wasn't it? So, if you enjoyed the video, if you learned something new, leave me a comment in the comments. Let me know if there's something that you're struggling with and you would like to see demonstrated. Leave that in the comments as well. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. I will be doing some photo session tutorials as well as Photoshop. I'll go back and forth between advanced techniques and beginning techniques, so I capture something for everyone. So that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.